Hi friends, welcome. Recently, Google has released a AI mode of search. So it is also appear in the same input box where traditional search appears, and the right of it you can see the AI mode here. If it is not appearing in your search window, then just go to Google Lab, click that button to enable it, and then you come back to Google search again. You will find the AI mode in the right of you. Now, what the key thing is why Google has integrated this particular AI mode in its traditional search. First, we'll discuss that. Then, we'll see what is the difference between a traditional search and AI mode search and what is going to impact. Then, in the last part, we'll see what is the future lies of us. Is it how the AI mode is going to be integrated or it is going to remain a separate one? We'll learn all about this. You can visit this URL also, so get all the details. Here is a comparison also, traditional search and AI mode search, understanding different types of keywords. So we'll understand that. And also here is a practical example where a travel plan is explained in both ways, and the road ahead or the future, what is going to come up, or all are explained here. Google has its own LLM or the language model, which like others, Chat GPT, Perplexity. Google has the Gemini, so it can use that. Then what is the necessity of it to integrate it? Now, there are famous articles also which tells the ranking of the uses of these language models. Now, where do you think Google stands is? Gemini stands at the third position. The first is Chat GPT, number 2 is Perplexity, and the number 3 you can read the Hrefs article on that, on the based on the analysis they did over many sites they research. So here the Google feels the future is definitely the AI mode. So in that case, if it will not like to be at the third position, so its strength lies in the traditional search, and that is the key reason what I feel is it has integrated its own AI mode into its traditional search, which it is a front runner or is the number one in the world now. You can read the comparison here. So in a traditional search, we enter some keywords and then go after all the links, whatever is displayed one by one, visiting, collecting our information, noting it down, then going back to another link and collecting our information. In a AI mode, we need not do that. Just give our question and you come back again in a conversational way. So you can ask the question and see that all the things are summarized and presented to you, which you can directly use. It saves time and effort also. Is it happens all the time? Definitely not. Broadly, we'll define our or divide our search to in a 4 categories. Here it is. So you can see the list. So in particularly where the information category is there, or the first one what you are listed, in that area it is the AI mode is more powerful, or usually we go for that mode. Say, for example, you are searching for a LinkedIn login page or a SBI internet banking login page and all, you will not use Chat GPT. So, when we know the destination or the directly or it's a navigational query, definitely we'll use a traditional search and we will not use a particularly a chatbot to tell us how to where to appear or how to get the login page of any product we are using. So there it is a navigational search. Now another thing is when you are quite sure about buying a Adidas brand's shoe or a t-shirt, you are very much sure, then also when the intention is to buy a product, there also will go for a traditional search. Mostly the information or research work, getting a guide on this and all those topics, these are all the AI mode is going to rule. Let's start one example. So we are in our traditional search and we have given this. Now we have presented with lot of blue links. All this we have to visit it and come back and finalize our trip plan. Now let's go back here. Again click the AI mode. So I click the AI mode. Now expected as expected it is going to be conversational, means I will come back again and again to ask several questions. Let's go now. So here it is. When I am searching it, it is doing that job in the background for me. So it is visiting all the websites, collecting all the things. Day 1, it gives me day 2, what I will do. Everything it has done in the background and given me all these things. Now I can ask further also. Show me the, give me the details. Detail places good for photography. So this also it takes care of it. What are the best place to stay? I can keep on asking it, though it gives me right side the links also. There are few links. Everything I can get it in the main while I am in the AI mode. So this everything it has given. Photography tips from Manali in July. It knows I am talking about a month where monsoon is active now. So it gives me everything, and in a map also. So in a one place it gives me that. I can ask also the what are the prices I should, where I should stay, what the best prices. It gives me it do a background analysis and gives me a full picture of all my itinerary. I need not have to visit so many links to finalize the details. What lies ahead? In future, we are going to see more and more integration of AI mode into our all the tools whatever we use, and it is already there in the Google Drive, Gmail, or the Google Docs, whatever we use. Even the presentation we prepare in the Google Drive also, you can see the feature that AI is integrated. So Google's strength lies with the integration of these tools to its existing products. That's why more and more, and even will not be surprised when the entire AI mode and the traditional search will be merged and given you a one tool only. So that may also come up in the future. And friends, what you think about this? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this discussion, please share this with your friends. And my request is subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified always whenever we add such discussions to our list. Please, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share this also.